Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have my beautiful girl Jackie.
Hi guys. Hi. I want to take over channel today.
She has to take over my channel. She's bigger than me, you guys. So
Yeah, but nah. There's no such thing about being bigger than anybody, ne? Don't come with that shit now. We are all starting out. That's why we're helping each other out because that's what sisters do.
That's what sisters do, okay?
Oh, really, guys? Like that's what we do.
Okay, so then we're gonna do something really, really exciting. I know most ladies on my social media have been asking me how I managed to grow my relaxed hair. We are going to share a very, very nice trick with you guys. I tried this actually last year. Last year. Late April. I did that for 2 months. And yeah, I honestly, but my hair was in a very, very bad state, babe. Like my hair was really bad. I think it's over processing. People need to first learn. If you are gonna be relaxing your hair, people first need to like learn the process. You know, there's the right way to relax your hair so that you don't damage it. Like basting your scalp the night before with your oils, and you know the shaft of your hair. You know, there's steps to it, but we'll do that another time. So today we're focusing on getting the growth. So we are doing a challenge. So please join us for the challenge. We're gonna do it for a month.
Yeah, cause I think I'm gonna do braids for a month.
I'm also gonna do braids.
I can't. She's lying because she told me before like she's gonna do braids. So I was like, okay, I'm also gonna do braids because like it's winter, man, and my hair falls out when it's winter night. It shades a lot, I can't be dealing with all of that. So yeah, I'm gonna do braids. Hey, but yeah, I'm gonna do braids. So
yeah, be braiding for a month. During the month that we are braiding, we are going to be using the rice water. I think we need sound effects. I'm not gonna open this now.
Cause it stinks like shit.
Don't make me open it, ne?
Oh my god. Okay, wait, don't. You guys, she just made the rice water with nothing else. She didn't put any nice smelling oils in there.
We are strong women.
Nothing to make it smell nice. She just put it like that and it's rank. Like, yo guys, it is super rank. Like,
I'm pretty sure you can actually get high from sniffing this.
Oh god. That's not a nice high, guys. Like, just stick to your greens. Like,
probably not the kind of thing you want to use, especially if you're going to be meeting people you want to impress. It really does not smell nice. But also there's a way to go around that.
Like essential oils, please. I think Clicks has a 2-in-1 now for essential oils and Dischem as well.
Right now.
Yeah, like the tea tree oils, the... What do you call the other one? That nice smelling one. The rose and ton. I forgot what it's called.
But like you're sitting here with information, I'm over here like...
Yeah, no, I forgot what it's called. But you see all the essential oils, they're going for 2-in-1 now. I saw that Dischem, both of them, Dischem and Clicks. So
I'm gonna go there.
Until month end, for about 15 next week when you get paid. You
guys, siso angene. Setting on my oils, ne?
Yes.
Yeah. Guys, join us for this challenge if you really want to see if you can grow your hair. I am not guaranteeing you 100% that it will work, but I'm saying just try it. It might actually work for you.
Hey, but it does work, guys. If you check it out on my video, I tried this exercise. I tried the 2-week one with the rice water, and it does actually work, the growth. But if you already have thick hair, people, I'll stay away from using this all the time.
I actually agree with her when she says that, because I remember when I did use the rice water, my hair was very damaged due to the fact that I actually colored my hair, which is one thing that relaxed people need to be very careful of. If you have relaxed hair, you do not want to color your hair because yay. Okay, so yeah, my hair was thinning out. It was damaged and broken, and the rice water was able to fix the damage, made my hair nice and full. Because I have thin hair, like I'm very happy with the strength of my hair, and I'm pretty sure you saw in my last video how strong and shiny and all the nice things my hair is. So yeah, take her advice.
But that's what us low porosity people, that's what
the
we do.
low porosity queens, girls. So basically what we're saying is, you have a very good chance of growing your hair if you use what we use. A very good chance.
I'm telling you.
Like, can we just...
Okay, let's do this.
Okay, so now we're gonna measure our hair. And then when we're done measuring our hair, we are going to obviously do our braids and keep them in for a month. And during the process of a month, we will be uploading smaller videos from our personal accounts on social media, just so that you guys can keep progress, né? And maybe motivate each other. And you guys will also be able to share, you know, your progress with us, so that we can keep each other strong and keep each other going. So that after a month, we can all just be happy, you know. I mean, hair growth makes everybody happy. We can. I promise you, the rice water, guys, it will not cost you a thing. It rice equally. And it doesn't have to be tasty. It doesn't have to be white rice or brown rice or whole grain or rice, guys. And I'm pretty sure which is not a problem. You just need a handful. It's not really a lot. You don't need a lot.
It's not shame.
Like I'm just yo, like Paul bailed. I was actually hoping Paul was gonna do the measuring, but Paul is not here. So if I do mention things wrong, like via centimeter and a half or and a quarter, be forgiving. What we're trying to do is help, guys, and share our little experiences with you, hoping that, you know, it will benefit you in a way. You're full.
Okay. So adorable.
Okay, clean up and live your life. Don't come back, please. You're too cute. Yeah, kids, no respect for your time. I'm going to lock the door. Go wake up daddy and go and play with him that side. Okay, I'm going to lock the door. Yeah, but I'm done. I'm going to lock the door. I love you so much. Go. You can do whatever you want in there. Okay? Yes. I literally have to sneak so that you guys don't see my stomach. Because
the craziness that's happening here. Okay. Hopefully she's gonna measure mine first.
Yo,
so that we can
I'm gonna measure her hair, guys, and then she's gonna like help me also the second time, just to make sure that I get the right number, because measurements. Because I'm blind, I'm not wearing my glasses because I'm over here trying to be cool. I'm born, I can't see anything.
Oh my god.
I'm born.
Which side did you use, the inches or the centimeters?
I'm on the side where it says 150 centimeters.
Because I'm thinking South Africans, we don't do them inches.
And that's a guy. Yo, Nina. The only time when I know how to count is when I'm counting money. Ooh, everything else, alas, guys. Dude.
Okay, wait. Oh, I'm gonna stop moving. Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna stop moving.
We are literally at. Oh my god, I can't believe this. I cannot believe, guys. Look at this hair. Anna, guys, in. Oh my god, Jackie, you are in like. Are you like 36
centimeters?
Bruh, look.
Oh shit,
dude, look at your hair.
Wait. I don't trust this girl.
Why are you doing it under?
I don't know. Like
how do you mean you don't footage you don't see it, because it's even more, look.
Okay, yeah.
And you thought I was lying. Oh my god.
Cause I haven't done this measuring thing. I put it like on a t-shirt or something, Yabon. Okay, so now we are on,
guys, you got mad length.
Okay, yeah, 36 centimeters.
Nyabona, guys.
I don't know if I must do a zoom.
36.
Okay, 36 centimeters.
36.
This one is crazy. Okay, I'm back into the twist. You go.
Yeah,
gonna do and hers. I'm by English.
I gave up.
It's gonna do.
Guys, you don't understand, eh?
Like, guys, English people at 12 o'clock. Like, I mean, it's secure time.
Yo, guys. Let's call it. Please, I'm tired. How?
You know, you got thick hair. Oh.
But I keep telling you that rice water did the things. Girl, I'm gonna call again because my stomach.
Like, I'm not gonna edit these things out. like I'm not gonna edit these things out. I'm leaving them there. It's going up on her channel. You're gonna see the menus that is Dombi.
Oh my god.
Like the things that she's doing.
I'm going through a lot, guys.
Oh my god.
There's no way.
I'm so glad we decided to go up to her house and not buy me.
Yeah, you guys, she really had to go out of her way to embarrass me. Like, this is not even fair. Oh, Nina.
I can't deal.
No.
Wait, now.
Love, I am telling you. And people, relaxed people. I repeat, Relax, people. Stop burning your hair. Nizwit, stop burning your hair. Stop over-processing your hair. When you relax your hair, this part here doesn't need to even touch relax. Mama, it's fine. We are here. We are here now, ne? We are going to fix that.
It's like I'm digesting and being cooked.
So nice. I'm catching feelings, honey. I like what you're doing.
It's so nice. Okay, guys, ne, this is what I want. Ne? When you are petting me, take note. Nice and slow.
I can say, like, I'm really enjoying that. I'm starting to really enjoy that.
Yeah, okay.
Because when I know mathematics, ne? And I just know how to find mine.
Okay, let's do it from the bottom also, since we're gonna be doing this. We're gonna be doing this.
Yeah. Oh. Dude, we really needed some background music, guys.
Yeah, well, nah.
That's why I'm learning so much with this YouTube channel.
Yeah,
I am
because of
learning
music,
so
you
much.
can't just use any music. You have to, what do you call it? Unlicensed music.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, you don't get that cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching.
But it's fine, again. Like, at least we know a lot of guys that are making music locally.
Exactly. So you can always just try and incorporate their music.
I actually, Blake Mason. Or is it Blake my son? Blake Mason.
Your hair is long.
Okay, how long is long, actually?
Her hair is, and I'm literally doing this thing like this because I want to show. I'm not even twisting it straight. It is 20 centimeters.
Yay! We are 20 centimeters. Okay.
Bruh.
We are 20 babies.
Oh, okay.
We are 20.
Zoom. Boom. You see? 20 centimeters. Oh my god.
Yay! I'm just really excited that we're doing this. You are a brainiac. You know that. You got like a big brain. I don't know how it fits in that
this,
small
you
head.
see? Forehead gang.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Namas.
That's how it is, guys.
Okay, mas baba say you is person my big forehead and it's person in red. So I'm gonna say that.
That's how we do about 5 gang. You see? About 5 gangers. That's what we do, guys. That's what
yes, ma'am. Yeah, let's tell our beautiful friends who want to do this challenge with us how we prepare the taboo. I think we should probably rename it to the taboo.
She's gonna take over on this one.
Okay, we are going to call this the taboo. Can we keep this a secret so people don't know about it? Ne? But that's what's going on. After a month, bang, bang, bang. Ne?
With some inches.
Yes, girl. Yes. Okay. I'm drunk. I'm drunk with excitement and happiness and just all of these good vibes going on here. Like I said, you need any ordinary rice. That's step one. Step one is you need your rice. Rinse your rice with lukewarm water.
Please.
Yeah, guys. Boil. Do not boil your rice. Rinse it with lukewarm water. With, you put it in a container. I'm just gonna look for a container in this house quickly. In this room.
Okay, now for the English version of what she said, guys.
Yeah, please.
Clean your water, please, with lukewarm water.
Clean your water.
Clean your rice. You see, even the translation is
that
working out. I was like,
because
bruh, I'm the only one in my house who doesn't have a black name. Like, who doesn't have a nickname, who doesn't have a Xhosa name. Every single person has a Xhosa name. The only one. Do you know how offended I felt?
We tempt Jackie. Yeah. We tempt you.
I don't like it, guys. I feel left out.
You are just there to represent us. So at least maybe okay, let me as I deviate. I said you rinse your rice with lukewarm water. I'm just gonna do that and let you do the slow one.
Yeah.
I think that's gonna work.
Okay, I'm gonna be the translator.
Hey, abantase. Uzawuyakaza rice yakho ne.
I'm going to wash your rice with lukewarm water.
Umuqeda lapho uthole i-container enesiciko.
Oh yes. These people that sell Tupperware. Good one. You see, because Tupperware is nice and proper.
Yeah.
Get yourself a Tupperware, guys.
Man, again, guys, you know I'm a cheapskate, so you don't even have to get the Tupperware. Anything. Like when you bought water the other day when you went out and then you forgot that scoop in your bag. How do you translate the scoop?
That bottle, that plastic bottle. You see, like almost like this. That plastic bottle, that one that twists, that you buy water from at Pick and Pay or Checkers or ShopRite. That
No,
is
but-
his scoop.
No, but this one was not man.
Ish.
Tati scoop.
Tati scoop.
Somebody were saying, "But we must take a bottle
Says,
and put it in cooking." Wait, this is a jam. Yes, a bottle.
they don't do that too. Please.
No, but I'm just like, no, in our language we get it, but then once you translate,
Sometimes you can't translate things into English. It's
Nah.
just not done.
ne? Kunzima.
Mm.
Okay, yeah. So you get yourself a container that is closable.
Yeah, guys, it's closable.
It's not my mother's tongue.
Like, yeah, but guys, you can't
Oh,
tell that you
what
can
is-
close it. Yeah, but like, you just close it.
Okay, but when you talk about something that's closable in English, what do you say?
It's closable.
It's closable.
It closes.
Oh, I think it closes.
Don't end it. Like,
Yeah.
it shuts. It's
Yeah.
shuttable.
Yes.
Wait, never
Oh,
mind.
what
I
a
think.
shuttable is extreme. But okay, yeah, get yourself a container that can do this thing.
They can
Yeah.
close.
Yes. And then you're going to put about a handful, man. A handful. Yo, why am I standing?
Carry on, Lala, carry on. Amba,
This-
rice.
A handful will be enough. Yo, you better tea. Oh, it's all cutting up. Yeah, your container. I need the closable one. Your one with it's enough. You don't need a lot. And then you're going to need about this much water. Ne? Slightly warm, not lukewarm. Slightly. The temperature must be slightly warmer than the temperature you had on when you were washing your rice, because you need to get those nutrients out. So you're going to put your water in there, uvale container yako, and then leave it out. Do not put it in the fridge yet. Leave it out so that it can, ferment. So it can ferment.
Because
And
that's
then-
what you want.
yeah, and suck those nutrients out. How long? It's winter
Side
now.
note, guys, side note, the fermenting there.
Oh, that's okay. Okay, you're gonna tell them how to fix this.
Like the fermenting, like you see how she did everything now with the water, you put it in your container, then you just put like essential oils, like maybe a drop or two of essential oils or whatever, like
Slice of lemon, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
You see lemon or orange, just to take that smell, that strong smell away.
I get
Yeah. So
I get feel, guys. I know.
So listen to your girl, guys.
Yeah. So sendeni. Oh yeah. Mix everything, ne? And then we're gonna leave it out overnight. But because it's winter now in South Africa, probably in the warmest room of the house. Yeah, put this in the warmest room of the house so that it can just do its thing quicker. Because 12 hours be enough? 24?
You give even 24 hours.
Let's give it 24 hours, you guys. Let's give it 24 hours so that we make sure that the rice is properly soaked. So after your 24 hours, we actually also gonna do 24 hours so that we are on the same page. So we're gonna let it brew out for 24 hours, and after your 24 hours, you are going to drain out your rice and then keep your rice water in your container and pour it in the fridge. If you don't have a fridge, it's not a problem, Dasi. Tina. We are chilled. Anything works. We make it work for us. We make it work. If you don't have a fridge, call those who in the house. That is going to be your fridge. And you are going to apply this every night. When I say every night, I mean every night.
You are there.
Every night. I actually had a spray bottle. It's great if you can get a spray bottle, but get me now. I'm not fussy, guys. You don't have to go out of your way. You don't. If I'm a spray bottle, you'll find an because this is normally what I do.
You pop and you go.
And everything gets wet.
Hey.
Nyabona
Towel, guys.
Oh my God, oh my
Yo, love them. Oh my God.
Like yeah. I have my hair in sections. Yeah. And I would do this. Nyabona? You must just be careful because we have different hair textures. My hair has become very strong now. But if you have really, really weak hair and you are hoping this is going to help you fix your hair, this is something that is very dodgy that I have been doing. I don't even know if it's official, but it's working. It seems to be working for me. To prevent my hair from getting damaged, I actually use my moisturizer before. I put my moisturizer, then I'll use this, and I will seal it off with an oil.
Yeah.
But you know, other people will tell you must use this first, or you must use that. What works for you?
And really, it is really what works for you.
Nah.
Because what will work for her won't actually go and work for you. So, you know, like, try and change it up sometimes. Like, just think of that. But that smell, I'm telling you. Yo. I wonder if you can add like a lemon afterwards or something like an oil afterwards.
I think during the process that you are brewing it, faka lemon yakho izibile zonke, you know?
Because this smell.
Like it almost smells like yabana on a hot day. Some ladies will relate. Yabana on a hot day, very hot day. Like situlugala under the boobies. Is it too soon? It's too soon, Yama. She has to keep me in check. She has to keep me in check, Shan.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but yeah, while it's brewing.
Yes.
Yeah. I hasn't baked it like Yo, as a mundo of English.
Oh my god.
I just want to buy myself enough English for YouTube. Like, is that even a thing?
Oh my god.
Is that even a thing?
Oh my god.
If you are somewhere out there, entrepreneur, you are selling YouTube English, I'm your girl, Shem, yo. Like, I could be all bougie, like, guys, Padgabantu. English, we will do this. As long as, yeah, but as soon as it has to be recorded,
Oh my god.
I keep on deviating. Okay, as I was saying, as she was saying, actually, to avoid the smell. After washing your rice, while you are going, in that period of the 24 hours when you're fermenting it, after washing your rice, fuck now your lemon or your oils, like she said, your essential oils, like she said. Because it's really not gonna make sense for you if you put your what do you call things that make you your enhancers? Your fragrances.
Like yeah,
those things. If also if I late, it won't really be effective. It gonna maybe like so that the smell can.
Because guys, imagine you're walking past Future Bay and then you're smelling like. I don't even know what the smell is that you are smelling.
We are going to discuss this smell another day. She's going to be here for that. Like, you just legit have to be here for that smell.
Guys, really. Like, because now I love the smell of hair. Like, that's my obsession. Like, I'll just be...
Oh my god, it's that banana land.
When?
It will actually be great for men. You know that guy that you don't like, you just hug him.
Excellent repellent.
Yeah. Come here. You like me? Smell my hair, boy.
You know.
Smell my hair, boy.
I'm telling you. But hey, you get some freaks, bruh. They're not gonna care what your hair smells like at all.
Yeah.
They're not gonna care. So
I could tell you a couple, but yes, you go Facebook.
Let's not do that. Let's not do that.
No. Okay, are we done with it?
Yeah, I think we're done. So guys, I think because we're done. So Ntomi's gonna probably post like weekly on her Facebook and on her Instagram. Follow her on Instagram, guys. Like, come on now. You people, she has like thousands and thousands of people on Facebook, but you people don't transfer over to Instagram. What nonsense is this?
Guys,
no.
People with English.
Transfer.
Transfer. Instagram.
How?
But now man of those people Instagram, Dura.
Guys, I do the Instagram.
Instagram.
Instagram is an investment, people. It's like YouTube. Social media is an investment. Invest into your future.
But yeah, actually it's guys, since we are on this topic of social media being an investment, please go over to my Facebook here. If you want to help people, you have maybe extra clothes and you live around Cape Town, you have extra clothes, food, anything that you can donate. We are actually working with a friend of mine that is helping a lot of people in Maspumelele, but do hit me up on my social media or hit her up on her social media and we can hook something up and we can try and help someone. If it means we must run competitions to get people involved, we will also do that. You know,
we'll do giveaways, guys.
Yeah, and anything to just, you know, let's help guys. Man, especially with you know, the lockdown, you know, the virus, a lot of things happened, and a lot of people actually they got kind of screwed very badly. So we should help. Whatever little we can do, we should actually look into doing that. But again, while we are helping, I'm not sure we're not supposed to laugh. So, here's the deal. This is what we're going to do now. Sorry. We are going to when are we doing the braids? Because you're doing your own braids.
I'm doing mine on Sunday.
Sunday.
I'm gonna do mine on Sunday.
I'll probably do my braids tomorrow. I'm not promising a braids video because I do not know if I can. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing my braids hopefully tomorrow or Sunday. But this weekend, it will definitely happen this weekend. So our challenge is gonna start Sunday night.
Sunday night, yeah.
So Sunday night, be ready. Be ready, guys. This is actually great if your hair is plaited. To be honest, even if you are not planning on plaiting your hair, plait your hair, please. Plait your hair. It is good for you to invest in knowing how to plait your own hair. The simplest thing you can do with your hair is braids. Yeah, when it comes to cornrows and whatnot, I totally suck. I'm a braids girl. That is what I found to be very easy to do on my own hair. Because first of all, I'm a braids. I do not have the money to do so. I have hands. Yes, it's a bit difficult, especially at the back, but you get used to it. Practice makes perfect.
And it really does.
Practice makes perfect. So, Zama man, really try. I will also try, even if it's just a little snap video showing how I am braiding my own hair, and hopefully to inspire you, which now you must do the same. Because that period of a month when you are not manipulating your hair, you're not brushing your hair, you're not touching your hair, you will just literally just be applying this and moisturizing your hair and your scalp and just leaving it alone. That will make a huge difference for you. I promise you, Bon. Faka inwele zakho kwi-braids sizakwenza i-rice water zabona after a month. Guys, you need to be loyal to yourself because you're doing this for yourself. You have us. It's gonna be a group of us. Masizobona ukuthi how it's going. We might even create a group where we can chat.
Nah.
That would actually be great.
And it really would.
Nah.
I like that idea.
Nah.
Yeah. We're gonna do that.
Yeah, so we will do that also. So faka a group, and then you guys can just request to get a group in, and then so and keep each other motivated. Because after a month, girl, we wanna be helpful. We wanna sit here after a month and be like, Zikulili, no? Okay, guys, so you do that, and this is our Pindas put it on social media. And it, guys, can they please not do that?
All the things you requested. Oh my god. You can make me a meme name. I don't mind, guys. Like, but do it like on my good side, ne? Let me go like this quickly.
Guys, I'm decorated by meme. Like, I'm dealing with a lot.
Like meme, guys.
Yo, speaking of meme, Ningafa, if I can tell you me now what I first thought the word is pronounced, or how I first thought the word is pronounced. Can you please kill me? The first time you saw the word meme, how do you pronounce it?
Ma'am.
Ma'am?
I did. Because I didn't know what it... Because it was either umem or umeme. Because that's... I didn't know.
When at least we umeme. I mean, I tried to be bougie. I tried to be bougie. I said, I'm going to blue. Yes, William? Oh, sorry. Oh, wow. My 4-year-old just told me that we are making noise. Daddy is sleeping.
We got you there.
I don't know that's slow. Daddy is sleeping. Okay. I was still telling you, come on, and I wanted to show him something cool. I wanted to impress the guy, Nina. Yo, Yasin, I could die. I said to him, I still remember I had my phone like this. Oh my God. I'm not going to mention his name. Oh my God. Did you see the Mimi? I need something about Butch. Like, imagine Mimi. Hey, the guy. The look on his face is
Oh my God.
probably why. Like, I never saw him after that day. Oh well, it wasn't meant to be shown.
I'm sorry for laughing.
Like, we go through things in life, innit, guys? So, alright, now we move on in life. The meme, the Mimi. It's the Mimi. Did you see the Mimi? Wee. TikTok one, and he was like, "Oh, you mean a meme?" Oh, that's one. This is me doing damage control. Also, that's how you pronounce it. Oh my god. Timmy, Lisiwe Undombi.
I think the video needs to end.
Yeah. Let me say whatever dignity I still have left because wow.
Oh my god.
And in terms of I'm fun and someone and and I don't even talk to him because whoa. And class. Like why did I try to be bougie? Because I should have said meme because he was gonna understand.
That is the stupidest thing ever.
I know me not today I don't find it.
Yeah, I was kidding. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. Oh my god.
Can we just end this now? Like I'm in my feelings. I'm not okay. Oh, but to check.
I'm so sorry.
You're insulting me with love, aren't you?
Not. This is like this. You guys, this is why I love this child so much. Oh my god.
One of these days, I'm going to be incarcerated. Is it incarcerated in a mental home? My family video. See, I can do English. Thank you for joining us. Stay in touch, guys. So we can do this head thing. Like,
comment.
Yo, like I have only 22 people on
Subscribe.
YouTube, guys. Can tell do.
Like.
You find invest in Puntu before you take me seriously.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Can you see my favorite? Me and her might actually get married and throw a big party.
Yo, like the hugest. But you know, only billionaires only. Because this is future billionaires right here. Always.
Yo, I mean, I'd probably be the poorest billionaire.
You I'm not gonna know anybody when I'm rich, guys.
She's lying. She's lying. She's not like that.
Hey,
she's not like that.
I'm practicing.
She is talking. Ujeki is talking.
Yeah, guys, I'm practicing.
She likes looking tough this one and she's such a sweetheart. Don't be scared by that face.
I'm trying.
She's very nice. Check it. I'm gonna cut a video before.
Okay. Guys, also subscribe to my channel there. Don't forget.
We are going to link your kingdom. So, and then you're gonna see the quality of this video is gonna be nice because girl is with a professional, and you know my videos must lawanga.
Yeah.
I'm like this.
Bruh, failure is the only way to success. That's how we learn. We learn trial and error. So please, how what?
Bye bye.